I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with another one. We got t-shirt and some scissors. Got the t-shirt from Walmart, and these my baby scissors. So let's get into the video, because I know y'all like, dang, where you been, girl? Like, life happened. So, but I'm back, and we're gonna get it together, and I'm gonna put some more DIY videos. I'm gonna try to make more sewing and non-sewing videos. So, well, enough of me talking. Let's get into this. Come on, let's go.
Go, baby, at last to my body so crazy, baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you